Client groups become really powerful when you want to send the right message to the right audience. Instead of sending the same campaign to every client in your database, Salonist helps you create targeted communication based on different client segments. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create and send targeted SMS and WhatsApp campaigns using client groups and customer segments inside Salonist. Let's take a closer look at how this works. To get started, head over to Sales Tools, then open SMS WhatsApp Campaigns. This is where all your promotional campaigns and customer communication can be managed. When creating a campaign, the first step is defining your campaign settings. You can start by selecting the date range, then choose the locations you want this campaign to apply to. For example, you may want to send the campaign to all branches or maybe only specific locations. Now, let's move to the most important part, choosing your audience. This section decides who will receive your message. Salonist gives you multiple options here. You can target all clients, only active clients, membership clients, or even specific client groups. And this is exactly where the groups we created earlier become useful. Let's say you have VIP clients, premium members, seasonal offer groups, or customers interested in specific services. Instead of sending promotions to everyone, you can target only relevant audience. For example, if we select groups, Salonist automatically displays all previously created client groups. We'll go ahead and select Supernatural Special as an example. Next, enter the campaign name. Then choose how you want to send the campaign. You can send it through SMS or through WhatsApp. Now simply enter your offer message. This can be promotions, special offers, announcements, membership updates, or any communication you'd like to share with your clients. Once everything is ready, simply click on Send Offer to launch your campaign and deliver it directly to your selected audience. Everything stays simple and organized. Your audience is already selected, your message is ready, and your campaign is ready to launch. Now let's take a look at campaign tracking. Inside Campaign Sent, you can review campaigns that were already sent and check their history anytime. Everything stays organized and easy to manage. And that's it. Instead of sending one message to everyone, Salonist helps you deliver more personalized communication to right client segment, making campaigns more targeted, more relevant, and much more effective for your business.